Okay, so state of Florida now requires all regular corporations, so these are C Corps, not LLCs, not S Corps, just ones that are 1120s, straight 1120 C Corps that have to file a corporate return, now have a corporate income tax information submission for tax years beginning with the 2018 and 2019 calendar years. All taxpayers that file corporate income franchise tax return are required to provide additional information to the department. Information must be entered for each item, even if the answer is 0. Once the information submission is received, the confirmation page is presented confirming receipt of the required additional information. If you do not fill this out, you will get a letter from them asking where it is. So we begin very simply by just typing in the taxpayer's name, their EIN, this number. You can, if you don't know it, go to Sunbiz Newer, search records, type in your information and find it out. You can also come here and type your EIN here and provide a search that way. So if you don't know your business activity code, just go to page 4 on the Schedule K. It's at the top there, business activity code. You can put that in there. Here, just going to throw in an example, federal taxable income. Just go to line 1, computation of Florida net income. So this is, they're wanting the F1120, so not the federal tax return. This is the Florida part of it. And this Florida apportionment fraction pretty much should, it goes from the Schedule 4 line 2, which comes from actually Schedule 3A. But if you are 100% Florida, you just come in here, you just enter 1. So it's it's just saying 100% of your income comes from Florida. Florida net operating loss carryover to the next year. So they want your carryover information. They want your Florida alternative minimum tax information, your federal net operating loss applied in determining federal taxable income. It tells you right here what it's looking for. So these are just, you got to fill this out. You just got to pull up the tax return and take a look. So you can just go through the rest of these. A lot of these you just need Form 8993. You know, for the most part, these are all going to be 0, but you have to still, got to type in 0 anyways on every single form. And be honest with you, I don't understand why they just can't pull this from the actual tax return that you file. It's all right there. And then just put in the email address from your tax return that you put on there. And then you're just going to write your name here and hit submit form. And if you don't put zeros in, you'll get an error up here and it'll force you to go back and put a 0 in. And then from that point on, just do the printer friendly and probably print it to a PDF and put it in your file. And then you're done.